Solana is one of the stars of crypto in 2023 and has been turning heads and raising eyebrows with its huge comeback. But is it the golden ticket to millionaire status in 2024? We're going to be breaking down the facts, separating hype from reality, and giving you the insights you need to navigate the Solana wave. Solana is a legit crypto that many see as potential competition for Ethereum, which is the current number 2 crypto in terms of market cap. But why is this crypto so popular, and what has led to its huge comeback in 2023? I'm going to kick things off with a bit of honesty. I've been an investor in Solana since January 2021 and I'm totally biased. In fact, I'm saying my Hail Marys every night as a hope and pray that the price flies past previous all-time highs over the next 12 months. But I am going to touch on a few negatives to maintain some balance and ensure you have all the info you need to make your own mind up about my crypto pick for 2024. By the end of this video, you will know the pros and cons of Solana, what's been happening in 2023 that has led to the huge gains, where the price is headed in 2024, and finally, whether or not Solana has the potential to make you a millionaire in 2024 and beyond. This video is mainly for beginners, so we are going to be keeping things simple. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of Solana. I'm very bullish for various reasons, like the fact that the team behind Solana is legit. Solana was launched in 2020 by Solana Labs, which was founded by Anatoly Yakovenko and Raj Gokal in 2018. Anatoly is the founder of Solana. He has a background in software engineering and has previously worked at Qualcomm, Dropbox and Mesosphere. Raj has a background in venture capital and has previously worked at a number of firms including Lyft and DoorDash. The whole team have serious credibility in the crypto space. Also, there are loads of projects being built on the Solana network, and the speed and cost of transactions on the Solana network are a huge positive when compared to cryptos like Ethereum. Let's look at the speed. The potential speed is currently 65,000 transactions per second, and currently there are also many use cases. But there is one thing that gets me very excited about the future Solana, and why I think that the price surpasses the previous all-time highs of $250. That thing is interest from institutions, the big boys. In fact, more than interest, we're talking serious money flowing in from the big institutions. If institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity file for a Solana spot ETF, who knows what will happen to the price. There are a few negatives to consider, like the fact that Solana faces huge competition from other layer 1 altcoins in this space, or the centralization concerns. Critics argue that Solana may be more centralized than some other blockchains, but the main negative for me has been the network outages. Solana has experienced network outages in the past. While the team has worked to address and improve the network stability, occasional interruptions have raised concerns among users. Even though I am biased towards Solana, I wanted to give you both sides so you have the full picture. We're now going to move on to what's been happening in 2023 that has led to the huge gains. There's been loads of positive news about Solana this year, like the fact that Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, has applauded its performance on CNBC. We all know about the demise of SBF and his exchange FTX. Their links to Solana have been seen as a huge negative, especially in late 2022, but Solana has shown impressive resilience and the price has jumped this year despite the negativity surrounding its previous links to FTX. This may be due to the fact that some of the tokens from the FTX bankruptcy proceedings are either vested or locked, and there is a weekly sale limit of $100 million imposed as part of the FTX liquidation plan. Basically, the big sell-off of Solana tokens from FTX won't have too much of a negative impact on the price. There have been loads of positives for Solana, like the news back in September 23 that Solana was partnering with Visa. This is huge and demonstrates the fact that Solana is a legit crypto worth looking into. As reported a few months ago, Visa announced it will introduce settlement of the USDC stablecoin over the Solana network. News of Firedancer has also been very positive. Solana's scaling solution Firedancer is seen as a long-term solution to the blockchain's once frequent outages. CEO Anatoly Yakovenko has said Firedancer is aimed at increasing speed, reliability and validator diversity. There are loads of reasons for Solana's impressive rise in 2023. For more in-depth analysis of Solana, look into people like Raoul Pal. What about the price in 2024 and whether or not it has the potential to make you a millionaire? At the time of this video, the price for one Solana is about $70. During the last bull run in 21, it got to approximately $250 for one token. What will the price be during the course of the next bull market? Conservative, I'm thinking it gets back to at least $250. But with the Bitcoin halving due to take place in April 24, and the news that a Bitcoin spot ETF is likely to be approved in early 2024, I think there'll be a lot more money in the crypto space, in the bull market that's just about to get going. The positivity around Solana, the Bitcoin halving, the money that's about to come in from the institution leads me to think that the price goes much higher than the previous high of $250. I'm thinking 1,000 per token or even more. Before I put more of my biased opinion on you, I want to emphasize that this video is not financial advice. It's just me getting a bit overexcited about a crypto I believe in. Can Solana make you a millionaire in 2024? Well, that depends on how many tokens you've got or going to get and where the price gets to. Let's say you invested back in January 21. You got in early and you put about $5,000 in. You would have accumulated just over 1,000 tokens. So if the price does get to 1,000 per token, you would have $1 million. A millionaire over in the States. Does it have the potential to make you a millionaire? Yes, it has the potential, but there are a lot of factors that need to be in your favor. A more realistic question would be, can Solana change your life? And I would reply yes to this with a high level of conviction. With everything I've said in this video, I strongly believe that Solana will 10x from here. Just my opinion. So you put 10,000 in and it goes up to 100,000. In this scenario, this would change my life and the lives of many other investors. It would pay many people's mortgages off, for example. Now you've got up-to-date information about Solana, so you can make an informed decision on whether or not you should invest. The thing is, your investments are your responsibility and yours alone. You have to do the research and learn about Bitcoin and all the other cryptos. Then you go with what to invest based on knowledge you've gained, based on your risk tolerance and your goals, and also based on your experience. This video is all about Solana and it's just my attempt at giving you useful information about what I see as an awesome crypto, a crypto that could make you life-changing returns. But all this info on Solana is completely useless if you're not quite sure how to invest, because if you don't know how to invest, you're likely to lose your hard-earned money. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a video that shows you exactly how to invest and 5 key things every beginner should know about crypto. See below in the description for the link. Learn about crypto and invest what you can afford. And I really hope that crypto investing makes a positive difference to you and your financial future. For more content like this, hit the subscribe button and you will get everything I've got from my 20 years as an investor.